Hi my friends, you're welcome back. In today's video, I will be making this yummy deliciousness. It is fried rice. I will be making it with some chicken breasts, some prawns, and some eggs. Hang on and see how I make this. But before we get into the video, please click on the subscribe button, turn on your notification, like, and leave a comment. So I will be using chicken breast, some shrimps, and about 4 eggs. So to start, I will go ahead and chop the chicken breast into tiny bite size. I will transfer the chicken breast into a bowl and proceed to season with some onion seasoning, salt, chicken seasoning, stock cube, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, garlic powder, and then I will go ahead and give this a proper mix, like mix it very well to combine it. Then I will cover it and transfer it into the refrigerator. I will leave this for about an hour to marinate so that the seasonings will go into the chicken. So right now I'll just cover it and set it aside while I also go ahead and season up the shrimps. To season the shrimp, I will use some onion seasoning, some garlic powder, some chicken seasoning, and then I'll give it a proper stir and cover it also and set it aside. Now in a cooking pot, I will transfer vegetable oil. I will allow it to heat up. Right now, what we're going to do is to cook the rice. So I'm transferring the onion, garlic, and ginger ground. I'll allow this to cook a little bit to release its flavor into the cooking oil. Then I'll season it up with some curry powder, some thyme, some chicken seasoning, and chicken cube. I will add some habanero pepper to this, and then I will throw in the rice. I am doing this, seasoning it this way because I will be cooking this rice like so. So I will add this rice right now and toast it for a little bit. And the reason I'm doing this is so that the rice doesn't go bad very fast. Like I've shown in a previous video where I did fried rice, when you toast rice like this before you cook it, if you're going to fry it, it helps it not to get spoiled fast and enables it to stand alone and be fluffy. So right now I will just toast it this way before I add in hot boiling water to cook this rice. So I have seasoned it. I will taste to adjust it if it needs some more salt, but everything I added here was just okay. It didn't need more salt. So I will cover this and allow it to cook. And we're going to be cooking this to just about 70 or 80% done. Depends on the kind of rice that you have. Right now, it's almost dry. It's cooking well. So I want to stir it up to fluff it out. Okay. Then I will cover it and allow the water to dry up some more. Remember, you are not cooking this to be completely done. Now look at that. It looks so nice. It's well and okay, just like I want it. I will take it down. Note, I didn't add any more water after the water that I added. So right now we're going ahead to fry the chicken breast, the beans, the egg and veggies, and then we will mix up the rice. So I've transferred in some vegetable oil. I've gone ahead and added the chicken breast that I have seasoned up. Look at how it looks. It came together so well. So I will cook this up in the oil, like stir fry it until it changes color and like it's brown. And then I will take it off and fry the shrimps. Now I will stir fry the shrimps also. In the same oil, I'll go ahead and fry the egg. I'm frying in the same oil because this oil is already rich in flavors, and this way the egg also will be so flavorful. I did not season the egg with any salt or whatever at all. So right now I've thrown in the onion. I will keep on frying. Remember, we fried the egg not to be mushy, but to get it to be scrambled and standalone, just like you see there. So right now, I've thrown in some frozen carrots and peas. And then I will add in the fried chicken breast and shrimps. I'll give this a proper mix, allow it some time to cook, and then I will add in the rice. Friends, still watching until now, why haven't you clicked the subscribe button? If you're new, thank you for joining us. You are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and share it to your friends, to your family who will benefit from this. Thanks for watching, my old subscribers. You know how we do it. You are the real MVP. Thank you for always watching anytime I drop a new video. God bless you. So right now I'm going to stir this properly, like stir it up to mix everything very well to combine. I will leave it to cook up a little bit and then I will serve it, but not before adding the vibrant bell peppers. I have here red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and some green bell peppers. You know, these peppers have a way of elevating your cooking, and of course takes the taste to 100. Guys, tell me, will you be making this fried rice? I bet you it's a hit to all your taste buds. Make this recipe and enjoy it with your family. It will go well with a very chilled Coke, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always watching the videos anytime I drop a new one. Thank you so much. If you are watching and you are not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Let us grow. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye for now.